All right, so we come biom from Bragan and Sam TV and so dia so any promise the blogger. E look piamu e we Efutu constituency dia. MPP penny for mo constituency ne mo. E dey nsem dia to dia na waka check na police say. O make sure say NDC vice chairman Asoka o mbetimi afre no na nsem odi to dia say ndra. So nya afenyo makina nka obekunu no ana say obe by election in Chrome no. Na omuntu no fo. Na the man say no omuni nindi nsem odi to dia no eni won go timba wi a e betwetwe nkom yenkombra
Yanyu abre papa. Efutu NPP. Constituency executives. Nida. Yan bokoko. Yes, me yan bokoko there. Men there.
Yes.
Then we find market for the way you watching. Men there. There. And we find market. And do sabata no. Ano ya tu sipo ukula. Ya va to chilodo. Ya tell you Efutu. Waka to say one process one party office. Wabro kwaya onya no kwar. Yes. Onya no kwar ona na nimuto. Enne ya pade sofa Asoka. O ta si de. Oya na kuti beyin. Yes. E mai fu o papa. Yes. Entu beyin na enwu ni brema moti. Ya ina ya wakwata tenti akasi bekoduku. Na ne de. Flow no. IGP. Ya pe no kwar. Ya pe kwe ya pe ye. Asimoke o vera. Obiare IGP yasawo to suffer Asoka na be central also sokoto afa ma kan wa nka by election by election also ba queen enti ma na IGP aka yi se che afa ma kin mu do si panya abasa akwacha
these things happened ya pese ye hu say suffer Asoka is 60-something plus, which we know say when you are an elderly person, you speak wisdom to your children, and I say those behind you and those under you. Now this unfortunate kasa every suffer Asoka and chain aba. Yet dear, we don't know about other constituency, but yet dear, Efutu Hanum, we hold Osahin Alexander Afenyomakin in high esteem. We are telling them that Yakatro say. Honorable Afenyomakin, I don't know share mbamaye, or share wisia, or share njanka, or share widows. Enti oyinifi honomaya ebe hayem. Ti sofo Asoka, ombra number country dientia. Oh yes, a threat no against your papa. Yaninjo police station executives. Yes, it's sofo Asoka. Or ya bema the whole constituency. Yes, so ya bema. Osiba election beba han, mama ba election bra. No nyati so oba winiba. Na yansha, ono so ya friend. So bejina ho no ababubo yan panyifo bi din mu say omumbra na ye bekunkum omo no. In fact, this is a threat. Na ye ka chom say ye de ye Efutu Hanum. Omo no mo baby. Ombra, we have 77 gods in the Efutu. If suffer Asoka want to tempt us, Ombra Efutu, number share you.
Awo sa Asoka na Asoka sa behavior no behavior no. Ye ninji. Because Ghana, you will law, or so Becca will be said, the Beba election. What do you mean? It means, say, what was so pano? It is honestly Obeku and Fair Macna. It will return to him. What I said, Dokano, a Becca one so. Would we sub Bekum? Would we sub Bekum?
On behalf of the my OCA, Sofo Asoka, NDC National Vice Chairman, okay, and a communication officer, no. In fact, in 21st politics, century politics, attacks, threats, and then the AFIM, you did there about contest of ideas in the Mebo to my it's in the we were expecting them to work with you, and Mawobo to why and overcatch and from the water to Obama. But threats or that be your best chief imam, IGP, na CEOs also organizing and one to one because politics na a woman, it's not about threat. Na IGP on from with immediate effect. Na one effect arrest or do no one prosecute one. Amama afofro so enhwe ma wa ye no do nde na anandeda. Na one say one fine bi. Unti your best IGP. The on to one man.
All right, Ebusia, mesa mo akwa babiom. Yakwa kopiamu e we Efutu constituency dia. MPP mpanyifo a we Efutu constituency. Eden nsem bebre atudwa na amuchi omu say o share nsem ndra e free eye Asoka eye NDC vice chairman enu mu ba ye ne dia ye nsem a ensem fata eye nsem fi ye nsem tantan a se Ghana your man democracy no eye do saka by this time eye national security eni Ghana police service a pick up eye chairman Asoka Amanon Awakochre. What he really mean by Asoka say, Sankabato, a year of signing a final marking, minority leader of the 9th Parliament and the 3rd Deputy Speaker of the ECOWAS Parliament. Sankabato no, a year babyana or Muwana, and a baby or no coyana. Carry by election, a year in Peswaso, baby or deep, a year MP, say Mashable Jenny, Edema Omono. Way, and I'm so Emma, constituency for a year for the constituency. Never talk about things, and yeah, in some chairman Asoka, a cayano, I want to know a yard, you know what you say. Omo demand Ghana police, a year national security, Ghana army, any other security service say, Semra, a Jumadia. By this time, I was on my own what is going on and the reason why the man said that. We I am some grammar media no so I say shaman for buta say enyebiano what was a year Asoka's motive behind those things that he said, because on Kanakwa there's another video you see a man also issuing the same warning to JFK and Abi and minority leader or signing a final marking, and it tells you that maybe it might be something that they actually planned. Maybe I want to share one second comparing one person more ye. In Abia, Uncle Banis are no meant me anye. But you see, we are living in the country just some months ago, not even a month, just some weeks ago, TikTokers were arrested because someone came on their platform and said things that it's not going to so the Ghanaians and the NDC is now telling us that a manage ubia but enchain this in can who say it's a year then trading idea in training idiano anchor on the 20,000 anchor or conforno and some. So no matter what you do, remember that there is tomorrow. Remember that there is tomorrow. And we will be able to from today, from the onset. And that is when you realize the big mistake you've done. Forget the fact that today your government is in power. Forget it. Everything can change. Everything can change. So, I'm urging the Ghana Police Service, don't let politicians, the government in power, play with you people. Because you don't know what's going to happen in 2028. And if by any chance, and I know, inshallah, it's going to happen, Abayans is son. What's your name? Abayans is son. You see, Obanyansa for heading, you bunibet, heading in Canasem. Obanyansa for a bunibet, heading in Canasem. And the young Kawasemu. Obanyansa for a heading. You bunny bet, yan canasem, and see any heading, ye boo bet. Now, one more dream and yet, Jumana, ma'am, yet a Jumana or somewhere now. More did man or somewhere now. That is when you realize, say, Mojimi. But for now, you're shamu. Because yesterday you guys did a very great job. I don't know, you're shamu. You guys should start doing the needful. Start doing the needful. And I believe in you guys. I believe you're up to the task before you guys. So we are urging the Ghana Police Service, Ghana Armed Forces, National Security, FBI, everything, BNI, everything, to make sure say Emrano, Enye Juma, they should call and ask that man the reason why he said those things that he said. The reason why he said those things that he said. Ebusuya Ghana and TV, and I'm just so any promise the blogger.